Once you have carefully evaluated your options, it's time to make a final decision. This is where all your previous efforts come together. While it might feel daunting at times, knowing you have followed a structured process can give you confidence in your choice. Making the final call. We have some tips for choosing among alternatives. Consider the trade-offs. No option is likely to be perfect. Identify the strengths and weaknesses of each remaining option. Try to be clear about what you're willing to compromise on and what's non-negotiable. Revisit your decision criteria. Ensure your chosen solution best meets the criteria you established earlier. Double-check that it aligns with your most important needs and goals. Address any doubts. If you're unsure, take time to reflect, discuss with a trusted advisor, or gather more information if possible. Do not rush for a decision if you're not comfortable. Trust your gut. While data analysis is important, don't ignore your intuition entirely. Sometimes a solution may feel inherently right based on your experience and judgment. Seeking consensus if applicable. If you're a part of a group decision-making process, strive to reach a consensus whenever possible. This doesn't always mean everyone gets their ideal outcome, but that the group agrees on the best way forward. Consider facilitation techniques or voting methods to guide the group towards a decision. The importance of commitment. Once you have made your choice, commit to it fully. Avoid second-guessing or wavering, as this can undermine the implementation of process. Of course, if significant new information comes to light, be open to reassessing your decision. Embracing imperfection. It's important to remember that there is rarely a perfect decision. Focus on making the best choice you can with the information available at the time. Wrapping up, by following the steps we have just talked about, you can increase your confidence in the decision you make. Remember, decision making is a skill honed through practice. The more you do it, the better you'll become. Next time, implementing the decision. Now that we have discussed making that final choice, our next lesson will focus on turning your decision into an action through effective planning and execution. Until then, thank you and good luck.